in case you get smelly and you don't stop anywhere. Got the oil change. Gonna pick the truck up right now. Y'all done?
What'd you get done?
Oil change and tire rotation.
Let me see if I can find it.
I think we might have some problems. Quick follow-up, peeps. Would you pay $1,000 to have 16 spark plugs installed in your pickup? That's a big no for us. Sorry, Midas. All right, we're gonna try to pick up the truck again.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing outstanding until I found out how much spark plugs cost.
OMG.
The most expensive ones is like 170 bucks. He can do it, in an hour or two on a Saturday over a 6-pack of beer and save myself some money for a cruise or
You better
something.
give him like a 12-pack of beer for that.
It'll be my life. Let's get all the kinks done today before I leave. Now we're at Midas, picked up the truck. The Adventure Mobile is all oil changed. We're gonna juice her up with some fuel, pack everything up, and it's adventure time. Please like and subscribe. That's a beautiful sunrise right there, folks. Beautiful day for an adventure. I say we go for a drive. We are about halfway to the California-Arizona border from our departure city, and we are going to push our luck this morning. Against Beauty's desires, I got a half a tank yesterday at California fuel prices. We are going to try to make that half a tank and get us to Kingman, Arizona. GPS is telling me I got 120 miles to Kingman. Should I push it? We are at our favorite traveling gas station, Love's Truck Stops. All right, let's try this again. Enter to bypass. Enter. Fingers crossed. Yes, victory! Well, I got mine to work, so. There we go. All right. Credit card drama, but it's all fixed now. Let's pick up Beauty. She's inside using the restroom now. I almost had an accident. Not in the car, but in my shots. Yes, I said shots. And I don't mean that kind of shot. Let's hit the road. Standing on a corner. Oh, that's up the road a little bit.
In 1.7 miles, arrive at Winslow.
Dueling cameras. Ding 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 ding. dueling cameras. Ding 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 ding. Oh, dude, are you doing like 20 miles an hour or what? Maybe I'm going too fast. Well, this guy's driving too slow. Of course, the speed limit maybe 35. But I'm getting 97 miles in a gallon. It is 35. So that guy was right and I was wrong.
All these vehicles up here.
So
Your corner to stand on is
there's the
not
corner
very
right
far
there. Right there. So what do you want to eat though? That's the question. We'll get it on the way back. We're gonna walk through it in a minute. Should park right there. I'm gonna park in this parking lot now. What's up, everyone? We made it to standing on a corner here in the beautiful, very warm city of Winslow, Arizona. There's no shortage of opportunities to shop. We're going to go across the street and stand on a corner.
You want to ask
Hey,
him?
can you tell me where I can get a good cigar? You don't say much, do you?
What's your sign?
Here's your sign. Where's my sign? Oh, Route 66.
Right above your head. Standing on the corner.
Let's go stand on a corner first. Are we supposed to stand on this corner or are we supposed to stand on that corner?
Well, it all depends on.
Which corner you want to stand on?
There you go.
Plenty busy. Lots of people coming down here. This is a good bucket list stop. A little hot to stand on a corner, isn't it? Let's come stand on a corner. You know what? If you would do me a favor,
Yes.
I'm gonna stand right here and talk.
There you are.
We got some awesome people taking a video of us here. Heck yeah, standing on a corner with the beauty. Look, she's taking over the GoPro. Heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, beauty, can we bring her on the road with us?
Yes,
We
because
need a camera person. It's awesome. This is the Sip Shop. They've got hot dogs in here from every state on Route 66. So make sure you check this out when you come out to Winslow, Arizona. There's the standing on a corner shop. The man, the myth, the legend, Glenn Fry. I want to rock out for a little while first.
Okay. Rock out.
Too tired from standing on a corner. I thought I'd sit on a corner.
That's right. Took me a while.
Okay. Hi, my name's Bobby. You're at the corner store in Winslow, Arizona. You're watching the Beauty and the Beard Adventures. Please like and subscribe us and come take it easy.
So here at the gift shop at Standing on a Corner, they got any number of hats, Route 66, Eagles stuff, motorcycle helmets, all kinds of stuff. We haven't been here in about 6-7 years. They've got military patches if you're a veteran or if you're active or anything. They got all branches, all conflicts. Pretty neat if you're into that sort of stuff. Look at this. The Seabees are represented here even. So how about that? They got trucker hats. They got gun rights hats. They got, you name it. They got this guy standing right here. He's not on a corner. Maybe he knows where a cigar is. Can you tell where a cigar is? You people don't talk much here, do you? Petrified Forest. And standing on a corner. I don't need any copycats. It's funny because all the songs are playing in the background. It's all Eagles. 24/7 Eagles radio. Ladies apparel. Kids clothes. That's a quick read. Right here. The coolest place in town. You stand right on this sucker. Whew, so much for 98 degrees outside. I ain't standing on a corner. I'm standing on a vent. All right, we're gonna go down here to the Brown Bug, at the Brown Bug Cafe. That's what it's called. Oh, let's push the button. I don't see the button. I've never seen one without a button. I guess you just wait. Stop, you guy, you. I'm gonna just stand here and just keep taking a video of this hand. Oh, there we go. Once again, no button here. So Winslow doesn't have buttons. They have dogs inside the building, man. I don't think we're gonna break any laws, but who knows? Okay, we're supposed to break a law. One law in each state.
I mean, you were not far, one per state.
Let's do it. Radiant minus. Too hot to be walked, but we just broke a law. We jaywalked.
And I want evidence of it.
Second Street in Winslow, we jaywalked. So that's one broken law in one state. We got a few states. We're still hanging out in Winslow. We've walked 2 or 3 blocks down from standing on a corner. It'd be east on 2nd Street or 2nd Avenue. We are going to hit a Brown Mug Cafe. Come highly recommended. They got a really nice lunch special. Buy one taco plate, get one free. So buy one taco plate, get one free. Buy one taco, get one free. Either way, it's a good deal. Sopapillas. Brought me this. Man, this thing is hot. Yeah. Loaded up with the honey. Oh, look at that.